Ideal guillotines, made in Germany to the highest standards and the highest safety standards as well. We at Chilvers Rib Graphics have been supplying Ideal guillotines for over 40 years now. Recently in 2015 Ideal did a revamp on the entire range of their electric guillotines with a number of new features to make life easier and simpler for the cutting operator. They're both very easy and very safe to work. There's a key access which is popular for schools and colleges. Without the key entered in the machine, the guillotine can't be used. This model has a Perspex Guard. There's a number of other guillotines in the range, both smaller and larger, some of which have light beam guarding, which you don't need to have the physical Perspex Guard then. But this particular model will just give you a quick run through. One of the new features is the touchpad control panel. We have some easy access ones, presets, A3, A4, A5, A6 presets. One way of accessing, hit the start button. We have an automatic back gauge which will automatically move. Green lights come up when we're ready to cut. One of the functions that this keypad offers us after performing a cut, like so, if so required, we can hit the eject function and it will push the stock out for us to gain easier access for pulling the stock out. For customers that might require price tickets, swing tickets, labels, name cards, etc., and they want a repeat cut out of an existing sheet, whether it be 320 long or in this case 210 long, we can hit this button, the repeat cut function. We can input a number, 5, 6 centimeters, whatever it may be. We'll put 6, press the start, back fence will come forward 6, we'll perform the first cut, and it will automatically come forward for our next 6 centimeter cut. And carry on like so. We also have pre-programs or program access, 99 programs with 99 steps. We have a light beam cut line, as you can see here. It shows us where the cut's going to be performed. And you can, if you want to, pre-clamp, clamp up, but generally you hit the buttons, clamp comes down first and then the blade stops at the bottom, release the paddles, returns. We have a nice cut there for a stack of paper. There's a number of ways of accessing the cut size required. We can use the presets, we can use the keypad here, 200 for example, press start, we can go there. We can also use the control back wheel by turning it faster or slow until we can come down to literally single digit sizes, which is very useful if you just want to trim off booklets or small items. Underneath the guillotine we have a nice storage shelf, and at the back of the guillotine we have a storage tool rack for tools necessarily for changing the guillotine blade, etc.